Hi friends, today we are going to talk about something that you can do in S4 HANA and some version of SAP ECC. So you have a requirement, suppose in a purchase order, you want to find all the different doc types that has been created for purchase order and to have a count. So generally what you do, you ask an ABAPer to write a code or something, but you can do it yourself. There's a transaction SE16H, which is like reporting on steroids. Okay, and here you see EKKO, I give the table name. Okay, and here you have doc type. What you just need to do is you say group by doc type. When I do this, okay, and I execute, okay, I will see all the PO doc types that has been created, what are the numbers and all those things. This is very useful. So imagine I want to see the same thing now based on sub company code also. Okay, so I flip it based on this and I execute. Now when I execute, I get the number of entries based on company code. So how many company codes? So for NB, these are the different doc types the PO has been created. So this is very handy. So you can use this and you don't need to ask for an ABAPer to build this program, and this is out of the box. You can see you can do just grouping and you will get it, and if you want you can see sort it, you can sequence it. So if I do it like I just sort it based on this, okay, and I'll execute again, and probably I'll get it sorted completely. So if you see here, I get all the doc types that has been created for AN, and these are the numbers and the based on the company's code. Let me go for the NB, which will be the biggest. Okay, so here you can find all this. This is very handy, and you can do it for any table you can think of. Okay, so stay tuned to my SAP channel and has happy SAP learning, and I hope you're learning new things, and have a great day.